Ms. Diaz rents a picnic area for a school party. She pays a fixed fee plus an additional $4 per person to rent the picnic area. Some students and 3 teachers, including Mrs. Diaz, attend the school party. The equation shown below represents the situation. Y equals 60, and if you're wondering where did that come from, plus 4 times 3 plus x. So, let's break this down before we even look at the options. First off, she pays a fixed fee plus an additional $4 per person. 60 is the fixed fee. So no matter what, no matter how many people show up, you have to pay $60 just to get there. Now, 4 times 3 plus x, in parentheses, that 3 represents the 3 teachers plus x students. We don't know how many students are there. So the $4 is $4 per person. The 3 is the teachers that show up. And the x is the number of students. And since it's a variable, that means we don't know how many students are showing up. So let's use this information and find out what's the correct answer. What does the x in the equation most likely represent? This is why I need to read the entire problem before I do anything, because I already got my answer. I did a lot, but that's fine. We broke everything down. It's more YouTube money for me because now you're watching the whole thing. The number of students who attended the school party, yeah, that's what x is. Okay, the number of people who attended the school party, nope, 3 plus x is the total number of people that attended the party. The fixed rate in dollars, nope, that's 60. And the total amount of money in dollars she pays, nope, that's going to be y. Okay, so x, students, easy peasy.